Okay, in the crock pot today, let's see, I forgot to film this from the beginning. We sprayed the crock pot, and in the bottom there's some tater tots, and then on top of the tater tots we got some chicken that we cut up, and I'm putting some of these real bacon pieces. Now we will layer it, or no, we're going to put some cheese, some shredded cheese in there, and then we're going to put it with some more tater tots and cook it on low for 6 hours, and the kids will have a really good supper when they get home from school. Okay, so I got the shredded cheese on top, and now we're going to add the tater tots and turn it on and cook it low and slow. Okay. Ooh, still steamy. This is what it looks like. Now remember, there's chicken down in the middle, cheese, and bacon. I'll get some on a plate. Alrighty. Zoom out a little bit. So you got the tater tots. You can see some bacon over here. Piece of chicken. That's good. That's got good flavor. Now, I'll try the tater tots. You can see there's some bacon there, bacon there. Not bad. I could use a little salt. I don't really salt my stuff much, but I definitely say this needs a little bit of salt, yeah. Other than that, it's got really good flavor. Try it out.